Good morning. Today in science, there's a couple of things that I would like you to do. The first thing in your module you'll see for classwork that I want you to watch 3 videos on Newton's 3 laws, and it's a short little video just to review again. The second thing is you need to turn in Newton's 3 laws packets. The packet that we worked on last week and yesterday in class. We read it, I underlined some stuff together, and we filled out the bottom portion. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm just gonna say you probably haven't watched my recorded lesson. So you might need to go back in and look at that. So there is a place that you can turn that in the module, okay? Remember, you have until Sunday to turn that in. I'd prefer it today, but if you have to go back and review the recorded lesson, please do that. The third thing, what we're going to do in class is I have gone around my classroom, so I would like you guys to maybe go around in your house or your bedroom, and what I did is I collected some materials. And I'm going to give each child in face-to-face, so a bag of just items. And let me give you an example of some of the items I found in my classroom, and you might have the same at home. It doesn't matter if you don't, you can find any items. You have a little bit more free reign because you're at your house. So, because I don't have every item here at school. So some items I put in a bag were a Matchbox or a Hot Wheel car. I put in a marble, I put in a ruler, I put in a postcard, I put in, what else did I put in there? Popsicle stick, a cup, a rock, a couple of other things. What I'm gonna have the students do and what I want you to do at home is just collect some items. And I want you to try to come up with a demonstration or a demo with the items that you've collected around your house or your bedroom, a demo of one of Newton's laws of motion. So taking your items and demoing Newton's first law. Remember, Newton's first law is an object in motion wants to stay in motion, an object at rest wants to stay at rest, unless an outside force acts upon it. So could you take your materials and demonstrate that? Newton's second law, remember this talks about for acceleration, you need to know a little bit about force and mass, okay? How much force you're gonna put behind something and how much mass an object has. Could you take your objects and demonstrate Newton's second law? Or Newton's third law, the one we talked about yesterday. For every action, there's a reaction. We talked about spaceships or balloon rockets. Could you take some of your materials and demonstrate Newton's third law, excuse me. I am not expecting you to do all of them. I'm not expecting you to take all your materials and demonstrate every Newton's law. I'm just wondering if you could at least do one of his laws. And then I want you to record it and talk about how that demonstrates the law that you're talking about, okay? And then I'm gonna put an area in for you to turn that in, okay? So this is just, again, because there's so many rules here at school of working in groups and activities and certain things that we can do. So this was an idea that I had of, I want to see what the students can come up with, okay? So just gather any materials that you have, and it can be as many materials as you want. There's no number to it. And try to demonstrate at least one of Newton's first laws. So you're almost like the teacher. You're gonna demonstrate how your demo shows Newton's first law or second law or third law. Okay, I hope you have fun with it, and I'll see you at 2:45 for our meet. Bye.